What's up, guys? Morning. Well, not good morning. It's already middle of the day. I'm on my way to my boy Lorenzo and Beto's shop. We're gonna have some lunch, boys. Go hang out for a bit. Beto sent me an update on my heads. He already got the springs installed and everything, so they're gonna be badass. I think they're badass. So yeah, I'm on the way over there with them guys. And yeah, I'll catch y'all there. We're gonna go grab some lunch, hang out for a bit. Ooh, I spotted OBS. You wanna see it? That yellow ain't it, but it's alright. She alright. I see you, G. I see you. Little drop. Looks good. But yeah, guys, man, I've been rocking this hat. I love this hat. Fire, boy. Fire. Next ones are gonna be all black, everything. All black, everything. And then this same style though. And the logo is gonna be all white. So it's gonna be all white. It's not gonna have the red star. It's gonna have a white star. And then I don't know if I'm gonna put easy money on the side of those. I think I'm just gonna leave the side blank. That way it's not too expensive, you know. Because I made this one, but this one's just mine, like custom, and it was pretty pricey. So, but it was also the first hat that I made with them. So hopefully, yeah, the next one, once I order in bulk, they're not too expensive for you guys. And, you know, hopefully I enjoy them. Yeah, guys are loving the merch. We got new hoodies coming out already too, and new decals and everything. So, man, it's gonna be lit. I'm excited, guys. So yeah, y'all join me over here. We're gonna go over here with Beto and Renzo. We're gonna hang out. So I'll catch you guys right now when we get there. Peace. Guys, so I just pulled up to their shop. Let's go see what these guys doing. Oh, they got the gates closed. We like this. And then we got the gate closed. Talking about some no restrictions. Let's see what's up. Let's see where they're at. Be in the house. What y'all know about that? Very nice. Very nice. Like, very nice. So I believe my boy Renzo is doing a LT in his car. I believe that's what he has in there right now. To be honest, I don't know too much about these cars. Potless, but they're nice. I like them. So I think he's gonna do LT swap. I think he has an LT in there, but an LT1, but he's gonna put a new one in. So yeah, it's pretty clean. The gas saver G. Tell me about that. I need to open the door cause it's cold. Fly, boy, about to fly. Yeah, let me knock. See what these guys are doing. What's up, Z? Why it smell like that? These are the old ones. These are the old ones. Old ass springs. Beto, goddamn. Sheesh. Them always look fire. It's all that old shit. Yeah, but look, they look clean. Very nice, very nice. I got this bike. Badass bike. And then my boy Renzo just gave me this for the OBS. Very nice, very nice. So, I mean, my boy Renzo gave me these for the OBS. He used to have an OBS too. So if he has a video, I'm gonna insert a video of his truck right here too, the old one. So. In high school, I can't lie. At least to me it was, because it was badass in the fact that he built everything on his truck. Like, him and Beto would do everything to their trucks themselves, you know? And they were the only guys at the time doing that. They probably weren't the only ones, but there was a select few people doing it, and there were some of them. So I always thought it was super badass seeing that truck around, because I knew it was him. It was so unique. Yeah, it was like brown, and it was super dropped. It had some flames on it, so it was pretty badass. I liked it, and so yeah, he got rid of it, but he's still dreaming about it. He got his RC truck with flames on it too. But yeah, his truck was badass, man. I liked it. So yeah, I guess since he got rid of the truck, you know, he still has some parts that he had on it, or that he was using for it, and he just kept them around. And so thankfully he gave me some right now. But yeah, man, so it's pretty badass. I think we might go to there's a shoot by Ekstenstive right now, right here down the street, and I think it's free, so we're gonna pull up right now during these guys' lunchtime, and yeah, it's gonna be lit. Let's see that boy Beto, he dance. Oh, he getting down, he vibing. He got the cumbia jams going on. Jeez. Dance, bro, dance. Jose, dance. One time for the vlog. Apparently my boy's a good dancer. You wanna dance? Shit. Alright guys, so we pulled up on their lunch break. We're coming over here to what is it called? Ekstenstive, right? Yeah. The Ekstenstive shootout. They have like a little free shootout that they're doing. So we want to come see, get some shots of these. I've never seen this show. I've never been. Yeah, I'm about to get that F250 right now. It's fire. I've never been to these shows, guys. It's gonna be the first time, so let's go see what's up. Damn. Oh, stupid clean. What you think, guys? Sheesh. Slam.
About to get ran over, boy.
Fuck it.
And then there's somebody inside the truck.
Fire, guys. Bad, huh? Fucking around. Oh, Lorenzos said, get out the fucking street. God damn. Man, guys, that's a badass truck. See what else they got.
Look, where you see look like that. Sometimes in his life he used to look like that.
What? His shit right like that, right? Stock as fuck. Now he got a badass truck. God damn. God, guys. Ain't fucking around. Jeez. Too clean. It's like fucking 12 feet in the air and shit. Damn. Look at that shit. What's that thing, guys? How's it look, Jose?
That's like perfect for a daily. That's the most.
For a daily? Damn. Damn, guys, look at this. Got blessed. Look at this. Free little food. This big ass truck. God damn. Made this whole. I'm about to enjoy the sandwich, guys, and I'll hit y'all back. This thing is like to my chest. That's how big it is. Crazy.
Hey guys, welcome to the vlog.
Alright guys, so we're leaving Ekstensive. That shit's badass. They have badass shit in there. And I was like, damn. And I'm over here building a fucking lottery.
Get that shit tatted on my forehead, boy.
Yes, sir. I'm about to be lit. I'm over here building an LS, and these guys got like fucking $500,000 trucks and shit now. God damn, badass fucking trucks. They all got clean ass bills around here. Them bitches are badass. So I hope y'all enjoyed all that. I probably will have to put that with music only because then I'll get copyrighted. And they were playing like loud ass music. But I'm gonna see. Hope y'all enjoyed all those trucks that we just posted. Everybody had clean ass trucks in there. I'll catch you on a bit. We had some good ass fucking barbecue sandwiches too. And they were free. Everything in that bitch was free. Yeah. Except for the shirts. Except for the shirts. They bought shirts. But I mean, that's reasonable, you know? You gotta help them out, buy merch and shit like that. I wanted one of those Texas ones. How much of them? Them hoes were 25? I should have bought one. They have them on the regular though. I'm gonna come back. I'm gonna buy one of those shirts. Them hoes were badass. But yeah, guys, hope you enjoyed that. I'll catch you in a bit.